as engineers, we have a responsibility for the impact that we make in the world. And we make that impact by coming up with new ideas that are effective for the health of communities and the way that people live.
And this community's been through a lot. Hurricane Michael hit in 2018.
The road got completely washed out.
The main goal of this project is to help with the erosion along critical infrastructure, the designated hurricane evacuation route, Highway 98. This is the lifeline for everybody down here.
Here in Sydney, that is our very first metro line.
It's about providing access and to bring about connectivity to everybody in our sprawling city.
The living shoreline is a combination of oyster reefs and salt marsh to help push the brakes on those waves coming in.
And about connecting to schools, hospitals, universities, to get that genuine positive impact on people's lives.
It gives you more opportunities to go across the city. The journey, the experience, it's a lot easier. A lot of my family moved up north. It was tough, but now that I have that opportunity to go meet them, it's changed the game for me. It's really helped me connect with people that I love.
Buildings as objects really mean nothing without the people inside of them and the community that they serve. We at WSP brought a certain level of creativity that perhaps is not typical of structural engineers. At the Lindemann Performing Arts Center, its mission is to bring together a diverse group of people to make art that expresses ideas in a new way.
I've never really seen a building like this. I primarily work in writing, but being in a space that incorporates things like music and dance has been so inspiring and really encourages me to push the boundaries.
Like acclaim and all.
It's a struggling county. We wanted to see the local community building the reefs, building the marsh, helping to restore their bay.
Anything that we can do to help bolster this oyster fishery and help protect these communities through protecting the coastline helps them keep their livelihoods.
We're just trying to protect ourselves. I've worked on the water all my life. They needed somebody to run the barge. Yeah, I'm ready to get here. I am. It makes me feel proud. It gives some hope that things will turn around and for the better.
It's the relationship that's formed between the space and people that really make the buildings sing.
I really do it for the people that are here. We want to support global communities
And help provide the resources in a way that best meets their needs.